hit this issue to date, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Adding funds to your Affirm wallet is a straightforward process, and I am here to guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your wallet. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet. Once logged in, find the wallet option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your funds and transactions. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In your wallet, look for the Add Funds button. Tap on it to proceed with adding money to your wallet. Step 4. Choose your funding source. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha: if you choose a bank account, ensure that it is verified to avoid delays in adding funds. Step 5. Enter the amount and confirm. Input the amount you wish to add to your wallet and confirm the transaction. Review the details before finalizing to ensure accuracy. That's it. You've successfully added funds to your Affirm wallet. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy spending!